Hello students, practice question 8. Solve the following word problems. These are the previous videos questions I solved in this video. First question. Gaurav finished 2 by 8 of his homework on Saturday and 3 by 8 of his homework on Sunday. What fraction of the homework did he finish in the 2 days? Solve. Gaurav finished homework on Saturday is equal to 2 by 8, on Sunday is equal to 3 by 8. The fraction of homework he finished is equal to 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Answer is 5 by 8. Second question. Abdul has 2 dogs. One dog eats 4 by 12 of a bag of dog food in a week. The other dog eats 7 by 12 of a bag of dog food in a week. How much food do the 2 dogs eat in a week altogether? Solve. One dog eat food is equal to 4 by 12. Other dog eat is equal to 7 by 12. 2 dogs eats food in a week is equal to 4 by 12 plus 7 by 12 is equal to 4 plus 7 by 12 is equal to 11 by 12. See, for a activity, Priya and Sia cut 1 by 6 and 2 by 6 of a rectangular chart paper respectively. What fraction of the chart paper did they cut in total? Solve. Priya cut chart paper is equal to 1 by 6. Sia cut chart paper is equal to 2 by 6. In total, Priya and Sia cut chart paper is equal to 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. By 1 plus 2 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Question D. Julie baked a pizza for her friends. Kian ate 4 by 7 of the pizza and Mary ate 3 by 7 of the pizza. How much more pizza did Kian eat than Mary? Solve. Kian ate pizza is equal to 4 by 7. Mary ate pizza 3 by 7. Kian ate pizza is equal to 4 by 7 minus 3 by 7 is equal to 1 by 7. Kian ate 1 by 7 pizza more than Mary. Question number E. A piece of ribbon is 12 by 15 meter long. A piece of 4 by 15 meter is cut from it. What fraction of the ribbon is remaining? Solve. The total ribbon is 12 by 15 meter long. A piece of ribbon cut from it is equal to 4 by 15. The ribbon remaining is equal to 12 by 15 minus 4 by 15 is equal to 8 by 15. Question number F. Asia wants to complete 8 by 13 of a puzzle today. She has already completed 3 by 13 of it. What fraction of the puzzle does Asia have left to finish? Solve. Asia's goal to complete puzzle is equal to 8 by 13. She completed 3 by 13. She left to finish is equal to 8 by 13 minus 3 by 13 is equal to 5 by 13. Question number G. If there is 3 by 8 of a cake on a plate, what part of the cake is missing from the plate? Solve. 3 by 8 of a cake on a plate. 3 parts are left over, 8 parts of cake. So the missing parts are 8 minus 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, 4 by 8 parts of the cake is missing from the plate. 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. Half parts of the cake is missing from the plate. Question number H. Dhruvi had 5 by 9 of a paratha. She gave 2 by 9 of the paratha to Ashok and 3 by 9 of it to Tania. How much of the paratha was left with Dhruvi? Solve. Dhruvi had paratha is equal to 5 by 9. She gave to Ashok 2 by 9. She gave to Tania is equal to 3 by 9. Total paratha she gave is equal to 2 by 9 plus 3 by 9 is equal to 2 plus 3 by 9 is equal to 5 by 9. So, no paratha left with Dhruvi. Fractions and data handling. SB 21. Practice question 9. 9.1. Read the given pictograph and answer the following questions. The pictograph below shows the number of sandwiches that 3 people ate in a day. Name Rajesh, Geeta, Irfan. Number of sandwiches. Rajesh ate 2 pieces of sandwiches. Geeta 1 piece. Irfan 3 pieces. Key: each piece of sandwich is equal to 1 sandwich. A. How many sandwiches did Irfan eat? 3 sandwiches. B. How many sandwiches did Rajesh and Irfan eat altogether? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. C. What fraction of the total sandwiches did Geeta eat? 1 by 6. 6 sandwiches are there. Geeta ate only 1. So, 1 by 6 fraction. 9.2. Fill in the blanks. A. If 1 coin is equal to 1 button is equal to 50 buttons, how many buttons are represented by 2 buttons? 100. 50 plus 50, 100. B. If 1 man is equal to 50 men, the number of men represented by 3 men is 50 plus 50 plus 50, 150, or 50 into 3 is equal to 150. C. In a pictograph, 1 star is equal to 100 votes. How many stars represent 600 votes? 100 1 star, 600 6 stars. 9.3 Read the following pictograph and answer the questions given below. The pictograph below shows how much money Kumar spent on apples over 4 days. Day money spent Monday 4 rupees, or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Key each rupee have 50 rupees is equal to 50 rupees. How much money did Kumar spend on Wednesday? ₹5. 5 into 50, 250. B. On which day did Kumar spend the least amount of money? Tuesday. How much money did Kumar spend on apples altogether in 4 days? 700 rupees. D. What is the fraction of the total money spent by Kumar on Tuesday? 100 rupees. Nine point four. Read the pictograph given below and answer the following questions. The pictograph below shows the number of ice cream cones sold by a shopkeeper in 4 weeks. Week 1, 8 ice cones. Week 2, 7 ice cones. Week 3, 9 ice cones. Week 4, 6 ice cones. Key each ice cone is equal to 100 ice cream cones. How many ice cream cones were sold in week 1? 800. B. What is the difference between the number of ice cream cones sold in week 4 and the number of ice cream cones sold in week 3? 300. C. In which week was the highest number of ice cream cones sold? Week 3. Concept time 10. Bar graph. Rahul, I have drawn a pictograph to represent the favorite fruits of our friends. Ritu, this is great. Did you know that you can also use a bar graph to represent this information? Pictograph, fruits, number of kids. Bar graph, vertical kids, favorite fruits. Title, axis. Pictograph, fruits, orange, banana, pear. Number of kids, orange 6 kids, banana 2 kids, pear 3 kids, apple 4 kids. Key is each one kid is equal to one kid. Each picture is equal to one kid. Here the bar graph is like this. We draw in arrows and columns. In arrows the fruits are there: orange, banana, pear, apples. We can write in horizontal, and in column in axis we write number of kids 1 2 3 4. We write the numbers. Here the orange is 6 number, banana 2 number, pear 3 number, apples 4. A bar graph shows data using bars. The bars are equally spaced and have the same width. Look at the height of each bar and read the number it reaches on the left using the dotted lines. For example, the bar for orange reaches 6, which means 6 kids like oranges. Solved example 16. Read the bar graph given below and answer the following questions. Favorite ice cream flavors: mango, strawberry, orange, chocolate. Number of students: mm, mango like students 6 students mango like, 3 students strawberry, 4 students orange ice cream flavor like, and 7 students like chocolates. Which ice cream is liked by the most number of students? Chocolate ice cream. B. How many students like orange ice cream? 4 students. How many more students like mango ice cream than strawberry ice cream? 3 students. Answer: draw a horizontal line for each bar to help you read the numbers correctly. A. Most students like chocolate ice cream as it has the highest count of students, which is 7. B. Number of students who like orange ice cream is equal to 4. C. Number of students who like mango ice cream is equal to 6. Number of students who like strawberry ice cream is equal to 3. So, 3 more students like mango ice cream than strawberry ice cream. We just learned how to read a set of data from a bar graph. Let us now learn how to draw a bar graph for the given information. Solved example 17. The following example shows the number of toys owned by 3 kids. Draw this data on a bar graph. Kids: Reena, Kiran, Joshua. Number of toys: Reena 4 toys, Kiran 5 toys, Joshua 3 toys. Answer is step 1. Draw the horizontal and vertical axis as shown here before drawing the bar graph. Step 2. A. Write the little of the bar graph and label both the axis, number of toys and kids. B. Write the categories on the horizontal axis. Here, the categories are the names of the kids, Reena, Kiran and Joshua. C. Draw the bars as high as the numbers given for each category in the horizontal axis. Practice question number 10. 10.1. Read the following bar graphs and answer the questions given below. A. The bar graph below shows the numbers of different types of animals in a zoo. Animals in a zoo, horizontal. In vertical, number of animals. Deer, 8 animals. Tiger, 6 animals. Monkeys are 9 in zoo. Lions are 5. Elephants are 4 in number. Question number 1. Write the number of animals of each type in the zoo on top of each bar. Monkeys are top. Second one, which animal is the greatest in number? Monkeys. Third one, what is the total number of lions and tigers? 11. B. The bar graph below shows the different types of cars and the number of each type of car sold in a month. Car sales. Of cars in horizontal, number of cars sold in a month in a vertical line. Sedan, so vanity, sports car, microcar, these are the car names and their number of sold is in horizontal. First question, which type of car was sold the most? Answer is sedan. Second one, how many fewer sports cars were sold than microcars? 2 cars. Third one, how many more sedans were sold than SUVs? 3 more cars. Fourth one, what is the total number of cars sold? Answer is 35. Ten point two. Draw a bar graph using the data given below. A. The gardener in our school wrote down the numbers of different insects she observed in the garden. Draw a bar graph using the information she noted down in the table below. Ladybug 7, grasshopper 4, dragonfly 6, butterfly 2. B. Draw bar graphs in your notebook using the data given below. Favorite color blue, yellow, red, orange, pink. Number of people blue 5, yellow 7, red 2, orange 4, pink 8. Second one, day of the week, number of people in an office. Monday 12 people, Tuesday 11, Wednesday 14, Thursday 12, Friday 15. Reflection corner, write two places where you have seen bar graphs being used. In cricket, score, and in mascots, students score, and the number of students in classes. Let's revise fractions. Here in first picture, 3 boxes are there, 2 boxes are colored. So 2 by 3, numerator is 2, denominator is 3. A whole is equal to 1. If 3 boxes are colored, 3 by 3 is equal to 1, that is whole number. Like fractions, same denominator or same number of parts. 2 by 11 plus 8 by 11. Unlike fractions, different denominators are different numbers of parts. 3 by 9 and 1 by 6. Comparing like fractions, the fraction with the greater number of shaded parts is the bigger fraction. 2 by 11 is smaller than 8 by 11. Adding like fractions, 1 plus 5 plus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Subtracting like fractions, 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 4 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Fraction as a set of objects. Fraction of the group of shaded triangles is equal to number of shaded triangles divided by total number of triangles, that is equal to 3 by 4. Data handling pictograph. Here 4 cameras are there, 200 cameras. Each camera is equal to 50 cameras. Drawing a bar graph. Step 1. Draw the horizontal and vertical axis before drawing the bar graph. Step 2. A. Write the title of the bar graph and label both the axes. B. Write the categories on the horizontal axis. C. Draw the bars as high as the numbers given for each category in the horizontal axis. Here reading a bar graph, write how high each bar reached by matching it to the number on the left. Ice cream flavors on horizontal line, mango, strawberry, orange, chocolate. In a vertical, number of students like Let's revise. First main, match the shapes that show the same fractions. Column A, column B. In A picture, 4 parts are there, 3 parts are shaded. We add to this fourth, in second column, fourth picture, because in that triangle 4 parts are there, 3 parts are shaded. B, 2 parts, 1 shaded, that match to third one in column B. 2 parts in a circle, 1 is shaded, 1 part is shaded. C, in a triangle 3 parts are there, 1 part is shaded. This match to column B in A, that is 3 parts are there, 1 is shaded. Fourth is, in a circle 4 parts are there, 1 part is shaded. This added to B. In that picture 4 parts are there, 1 part is shaded. Here A 7 by 17 is smaller than 3 by 17. B 6 by 13 is smaller than 8 by 13. C 4 by 10 is greater than 2 by 10. Fourth main, solve the given addition and subtraction problems. A 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. B 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8 is equal to 7 by 8. C 5 by 12 minus 2 by 12 is equal to 3 by 12. D 11 by 16 minus 7 by 16 is equal to 4 by 16. Fifth main, color 8 balloons. Fill in the blanks with the fraction of the colored balloons. There are 14 balloons are there. 8 balloons are colored. Fraction of the colored balloons are 8 by 14. Sixth main, solve the following questions. Below in this video we can solve these questions. Seventh main, fill in the blanks. If one rocket represents 50 paper aeroplanes, 350 paper aeroplanes will be represented by 350 into 50 is equal to 17,500. Eighth question, draw a bar graph in your notebook for the given data above the different places people want to visit. Place, number of people. Beach, 8 people visit. Valley, 12 people. Hill, 2 people. Forest, 3 people. Lake, 6 people. Six main, solve the following questions. A. Aryan and Manav ordered a 10 slice pizza. Aryan ate 2 slices and Manav ate 5 slices. What fraction of the pizza Did they eat all together? Solve. Aryan and Manav ordered pizza is equal to 10 slices. Aryan ate 2 slices is equal to 2 by 10. Manav ate 5 slices is equal to 5 by 10. In total, they both ate pizza is equal to 2 by 10 plus 5 by 10 is equal to 2 plus 5 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10. Question B. On Friday, some students of class 3 were missing. 1 by 9 of the class went to a cricket match and 1 by 9 of the class was absent. What fraction of the class was present in school that day? Solve. In class 3, the total number of students are 9. Students that went to a cricket match is equal to 1 by 9. Students that absent is equal to 1 by 9. Total absent students is equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9. Present students in class is equal to 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. The fraction of present students are 7 by 9. Question number 8, bar graph. In vertical, number of people; in horizontal, places are there?